Hello all. This is the course which I was longing to do. Yes, this course is about developing an interpreter from scratch using Go programming. And you know what? We will not be taking any shortcuts. We won't be using any third party libraries. We'll be using just Go programming language to create an interpreter on our own. And the best of all, what are we going to interpret? We are going to interpret a programming language called Monkey Programming Language, which was developed purely for this purpose, for learning purpose. Okay. So one thing is that I would like to say is, as a developer, like that too, myself a self-taught developer, I don't have a computer science degree. So when I hear these terms like compiler, interpreter, I always get fearful. I think it's really, really tough or something out, really engineered out. But in reality, after reading this book, and before that, this course is based on this book by Thorsten Ball, Writing an Interpreter in Go. And I would credit him for this course because this book inspired me to create this course. So I highly recommend you taking out a look at this book as well. But anyway, let's continue. So this course is based on this book. And when I read this book, Thorsten Ball laid out everything cleanly. It's as if like anybody can learn what an interpreter is. But of course, I understand there are like more nuances when it has to come to a production grade interpreter. But that's not what we are here for. We are here for learning by developing. So we will develop an interpreter and then, learn in the process of how to develop it as well. So what we will be covering in this course? In this course, we will first introduce what an interpreter is about, and then we will do some basic tools installation, which should be straightforward. And then we will introduce this monkey programming language. And to your note, monkey programming language is actually created by Thorsten Ball, especially for this book. Okay, so kudos to him. So once we know what is the basic syntax of this monkey programming language, we will go to the first step in the compilation process or interpretation process, which is called lexing. So if we give us a token, it will give us a list. If we give us an input, it will give us a list of tokens. Now with the tokens available, we will parse it to the parser phase, where it will parse what is it. Okay, this is a let statement or this is a function. So we will get an abstract syntax tree from this step. And from whatever we are getting from this parsing step, we will pass that to evaluation, which will execute the program. So here is where the programming language comes into life. So the interpreter evaluates the program, and at the end we also extend the interpreter by adding some types like data types like string. Not only string, we also add data types array as well as hash data structure, popularly known as hash map. Okay, so I'm really excited about this course. Hopefully you're too. Please check it out, and yeah, let me know how you feel. Thank you.